Alright folks, Tim here again from High End Cheap Tech. Today we're going to have a review of the Newhaodi desktop mic. It should arrive today. Right now I'm kind of sick as a dog. I'm going to go back to bed after doing this intro, and then maybe later when the mic arrives I'll actually be able to do the review. But hopefully we won't have to use the lapel mic anymore. So let's get right to it. Let's go to the intro. See what we got. Microphone was received today. It comes from a company called Newhaodi, but it's labeled Zaffiro. So let's unbox it, see what we have in the box. We'll check her out from there and come to our conclusions. We have a very small owner's manual. It tells you how to set it up with your Windows, how to pick the microphone out and set the gain and all that good stuff. So we're going to set that aside. And inside here, not much to it. Very little to it, as a matter of fact. It just sits right here in the foam, and out it comes. Nice long cable. We're going to set that off to the side here. And then we're going to take a peek over here and see if there's anything else in the box. I don't think there will be, but you don't know. Actually, as tightly as that foam is packed in there, I'm guessing there's nothing else in here. Otherwise, they'd have just thrown it on top. Nothing else in here. Ow. Cardboard's sharp. Alright, we're going to set the box off to the side and have a look at this thing. Looks like we got a pretty long microphone cable here. Whoops. Nothing like yanking the mic right off the desk because we weren't paying attention to what we were doing. Alright, so we got a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, or microphone in this case. And I'm guessing it has a single button. I would assume that's on and off. We'll find out when we actually get around to testing it a little. We're trying to untangle. Amazing how a cable that's all wound up can still get tangled. One of the downsides of cables. So the cable is, I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 foot long. So you won't have a problem placing this anywhere. It's a gooseneck, pretty soft and easy to move gooseneck. Nothing spectacular. Has some rubber feet on the bottom, so it shouldn't slide around too much. Doesn't look like it'll tip over easily. And mostly when I'm going to be recording, I'm going to be pointing it up like that. So I'll be right back. We'll plug this thing in to the phone here and see how it's working. Alright folks, here we are back with the gooseneck mic that we're unboxing today. It should be on. I'm a good, 2 feet away. I'm standing behind the phone looking at it from above. I did have to make sure to press this little button in to turn the mic on. So on that note, we're going to see how this sounds, and then I'll come back and I'll sit down and we'll talk about it. Alright folks, I'm back. So my conclusions on this product, I think it was worth the $11. You know, I got it with free shipping on Prime, which is nearing its 30-day trial end, and I'll be canceling it, of course. Even if you had to pay a few dollars shipping. It's a good microphone. Seems to work well. I'm going to recommend it. Now, that name on here, that Zaffiro, don't look it up that way. Look it up using my link in the description below. It'll come up as a Newhaodi. They might be the distributor for these people. Whoever makes it. I don't even know where it's made. It doesn't say. Nowhere on it. My guess is somewhere in China. But seems to be a rather good investment. No more lapel mics. I can get up and walk away. And now that is all I have. So I'm going to throw a link up here and a link over there. And you can go check them out and watch those videos too. That MPOW contest is still open, by the way. We've got a second entrant. So if you go to the MPOW video, which is going to show up in that corner, I believe, or that one, we never know. Check it out. It might be, there's nothing spectacular. A lapel mic, a DisplayPort adapter to HDMI, and a sound splitter, so you can split one single output into two, so you can feed maybe part to your subwoofers and the other part to your standard speakers. If you have a need for any of those three, you're going to get all three if you win. Probably going to do the drawing Wednesday or Thursday, so stand by for that. There'll be a premiere, and I'll use a little app I got for the phone here that I was turned on to by C. Butler, who does a lot of good stuff. You have to check out his channel. I'll link his channel in the video below, or in the description below. Check it out. And that's all I got. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.